Hello friends, greetings from Boston. Hope you are all well. This video is about the Times Square in New York. Take a look at that bright lights of billboards and glitz of Times Square. It is breathtaking. This video will show you night and daytime view. And this is a major tourist destination in New York, in Manhattan. Enjoy. Watch that Maria's E-ball on the top.
Intensify.
Thank you for watching and I hope you like this video. If you like it, click on that thumbs up icon, and also don't forget to hit that round Rani Vani button in the middle to subscribe. And also another request, click on that bell icon for notification for my future videos when I post them. Thank you so much. You take care.